a H Tech Hub. Subscribe my channel to get updates. And press the bell icon. Do you want a good YouTube downloader app? An app that is safe, easy or simple. It is very easy to use and very fast. Snaptube. Snaptube is very fast downloader from YouTube. I will tell you the all features of Snaptube. Snaptube give fast downloading. Snaptube also download videos. 50 plus websites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, status of WhatsApp or more. You can even download any video from any site. Just share the link to Snaptube and download it. You can also add your site to bookmark of Snaptube. Snaptube is a free downloader. Download your video free of cost. Snaptube offers video resolutions in a range of 144 pixel, 720 pixel, 1080 pixel HD, 2000 HD, 4000 HD, and audio formats in MP3 or M4A. You can also download the video in the private album, which is directly added to the private album after downloading. This all audio and video formats available on every site. You have need to share link of any site to Snaptube, download it in any format. This all formats available on every video, and you must choose the format which you want. Then video is downloaded into your device storage, so you can watch it anytime. Snaptube is available on the stores. Up to down APK Story App Toydway App Gallery App Marketium I Get Apps. Or you can also download from link which is available in the description of this video. Here is the complete tutorial of downloading a video from Snaptube. Select the video on YouTube. After selecting the video on YouTube, press on Share. After pressing on the share, you must select the option of Snaptube download in your sharing options. Then a floating menu appears on YouTube in which audio and video formats available. You can select the format which do you want to download in device storage. There are many options in the floating menu. You must use at least one option from this menu. After choosing, your video or audio will be downloaded in your device storage perfectly. Here you can see the private download option, and above of the menu you must also download a video directly in your private album which is built in Snaptube. Private wallet which is available in the Snaptube where you can hide your private download. You can access to the Vault in My Files menu by sliding down, and the wallets appear on your screen. Enter the password, and the vault is open, and all your private videos is on here. In the Snaptube, there is also a super cleaner which cleans your phone regularly, and many features in this cleaner menu like battery saver, WhatsApp data cleaner, phone booster, Facebook cleaner, large files cleaner, and many more. So download the Snaptube and enjoy unlimited download from YouTube or more than 50 plus websites. Snaptube download link is available in the description. Please subscribe my channel and support us by sharing the channel to your friends and family so we can do more for you. Thank you.